How to use Yahoo Fantasy for beginners. The first thing that you need to do is head over to sports.yahoo.com/fantasy. This website supports various sports including football, basketball, baseball, and hockey. Once you've selected your sport, sign in to your Yahoo account credentials and join a league. Browse public leagues or enter a private league using an invitation code. You can also create your own league. So as a commissioner, you can set up a private league and customize settings like scoring, formats, and draft types. We already have a video on this on our channel. Step 3 is to draft your team. Participate in the league draft to build your team. There's a snake draft where teams take turns selecting players in a predetermined order that reverses each round. And there's an auction draft where teams bid on players using a budget. In a standard football league, your roster typically includes 1 quarterback, 2 running backs, 2 wide receivers, 1 tight end, 1 flex, 1 kicker, and 1 team defense. Using the website's player rankings and search functions to make an informed picks. Step 4. Manage your team weekly. Stay active throughout the season. Set lineups. Adjust your starting lineup before each game week. Monitor player status. Keep an eye on injuries and bye weeks. Add or drop players. Utilize the waiver wire to improve your roster. And propose trades. Engage with other managers to trade players. Regular management increases your chances of success. The final step is to enjoy. Track your team's performance each week. In a head-to-head, you compete against another team weekly. The team with most points wins. And there's another one called points only, where you accumulate points throughout the season and the highest total wins. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.